I'm Erin. So I will tell you about intro rules and mean value theorem. Differentiation is a process of finding a function that outputs the rate of change of one variable with respect to another variable. Differentiation is used to find the gradient of a line or curve. It also can be used to find the coordinates of stationary points, whether this be minimum, maximum, or points of reflection. The second derivative can be used to identify if these points are minimum or maximum. Okay, so what is the objective? First, we can understand some basic concept and definition of Rolle'S and mean value theorems. Then, we can identify the difference between Rolle'S theorem and mean value theorems.
Next, we go to the Rolle'S theorem. Here's the definition of Rolle'S theorem. Let fx be a function such that fx is continuous on the closed interval ab, fx is differentiable on the open interval ab, and fa equal to fb. Then, there exists at least one number c in ab for which f prime c equal to 0. There's 5 steps on how to solve Rolle'S theorem question. Step 1. Find fa and fb. Step 2. Verify whether fa equal to fb. Step 3. Find f prime x. Step 4. Substitute x with c. Step 5. Solve f prime c equal to 0 and find the value of c. Here's an example question for Rolle'S theorem. The Rolle'S theorem states that if fx is differentiable on ab, continuous on ab, and fa equal to fb, then there is at least one point c in ab where f prime c equal to 0. If fx equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5, find the value of c in the interval 1, 5 that satisfies the above theorem. Let's jump into the solution. For step 1, we need to find fa and fb. 1 and 5 is represent to a and b. So we need to change from fa to f1 and fb to f5. After we solve the equation, both of the answer is the same. For step 2, we need to verify whether fa equals to fb. From step 1, f1 and f5 got the same answer. So it will be f1 equals to f5. Step 3, we need to differentiate fx equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5, and we got f prime x equals to 2x minus 6. Step 4, we need to substitute f prime x to f prime c, and it will be f prime c equals to 2c minus 6. Step 5, we need to solve f prime c equals to 0, and it will be 2c minus 6 equals to 0. Next, we need to bring negative 6 to the right, and it will be positive. From this, we can find the value of c by dividing 6 by 2. By dividing 6 by 2, we get 3. So, the value of c is 3.
Now we continue with mean value theorem. Okay, now what we can see on the slide is telling me that let fx be a function such that first, fx is continuous on the closed interval ab. For the second one, fx is differentiable on the open interval ab. Okay, then there exists at least one number c in ab for which f prime c equals to fb minus fa over b minus a.
There is 4 steps on how to solve mean value theorem question. Step 1, find fa and fb. Step 2, find f prime x. Step 3, substitute x with c. Step 4, find f prime c equal to fb minus fa over b minus a.
Now we jump to the problem statement. Okay, now we can see the question given is the mean value theorem for derivative states that if fx is continuous on ab and differentiable on ab, and then there is at least one number c in ab such that f prime c equals fb minus fa over b minus a. Find the values of C that satisfies the theorem for the function fx equals to 2 over square root 1 minus x on the interval -3 and O. Now we are going to solve the problem, and step 1 we must find FA and FB. Now given -3 and 0. -3 is for A and the 0 is for B. Now we find the FA first. FA equals to -3 and we get 1. Okay, 1 for FA. For FB equals to 0 and we get 2 for FB. Okay, clear? Now for the step 2 is we must find the f prime x, right? And now given fx is 2 over square root 1 minus x, and we can change it to 2 in bracket 1 minus x, and the power is -1 over 2. Okay, now we can differentiate and we get 1 over 1 minus x in bracket 3 over 2. Okay, for the step number 3, substitute x with c. F prime x, we substitute it to f prime c. So now f prime c equals to 1 over in bracket 1 minus c, power is 3 over 2. Okay guys, now the last step before we get the answer for this question is we must find the f prime c equals to fb minus fa over b minus a. Okay, guys can use your calculator. Okay, and 2.08 equals to 1 minus c. Okay, now the simple, very simple algebra, and the c we got -1.08.
Okay, so the conclusion is if a function takes on the same value at the endpoints of an interval n is continuous and differentiable on the interval, then there must be at least one point within the interval where the derivative of the function is 0. Then there exists a point in the interval such that the tangent at the point C, FC, is parallel to the line passed through the points A, FA and B, FB. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.